Hey everybody, it's Steve. Welcome back. Today I was getting ready for cold and flu season and was checking all my thermometers to make sure that they were working, and I found that every single one of them had a dead battery. Now, I guess our policy in the past has been to simply buy a new thermometer whenever the batteries go dead, but this year is different. I'm going to replace the batteries. Well, it turns out that they're actually just a little bit tricky to do in some cases, like this ThermoScan by Braun Model 6013. Very difficult to get in there, but I'll show you how to do it because it is something that even I can do. Okay, so let's get right to it. This will be a quick video today. First of all, you are going to need a paper clip or something similar, a little point on the end. And this particular unit uses batteries that are CR2032s, like these Duracells here. These are the bitter kind, so if you think you're going to eat those, you might want to think twice about this particular one. But here's what we need to do. You're going to take your paper clip, and right here on the front, there's a little arrow, and it points to a tiny hole. You're going to take your paper clip, and you're just going to poke into that hole. And once you do that, your little door will slide forward and you can pull it off. That will reveal two batteries. They are the CR2032s. You might use your paper clip also to get those out of there. Just pop those out, and then we'll put in the new ones. The new ones will go in with the plus side up. So take a look at the battery. You'll see that they have a plus on one side, and just stack them in there like poker chips. And then you'll take your door and you'll angle the top part of the door into the little slot, then lower the door and slide in. So if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, please subscribe, and if you need batteries, go ahead and use our Amazon affiliate link up here in the corner. That helps out the channel. Until next time, this has been Steve for things that even I can do.